Welcome to today's video on the best PCs for PS2 emulation. If you're a fan of nostalgic gaming and want to relive those classic PS2 titles, having the right PC for emulation is key to enjoying smooth gameplay. But not all PCs are created equal when it comes to PS2 emulation, so in this video, we'll take a closer look at 5 of the best PCs for running PS2 games seamlessly. From powerful gaming laptops to compact mini PCs, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details. Kicking off our list at number 1, ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is a top-tier gaming laptop that offers an impressive balance of power and portability. Powered by AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, this laptop provides exceptional performance for PS2 emulation. Its compact size makes it highly portable, while its hardware is more than capable of handling even the most demanding emulation tasks, offering smooth and high-quality gameplay. Key features: the ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out with its powerful Ryzen 9 processor, which delivers robust multi-core performance, perfect for running emulators that require heavy CPU usage. The RTX 4060 GPU offers excellent graphics processing power, enhancing the visual experience when emulating PS2 games. The laptop also features a 14-inch 2560 by 1600 display, offering crisp visuals and vibrant colors, a crucial factor for emulating older games. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, you'll have more than enough memory and storage for your games and applications. Benefits and usage: this laptop is a great option for gamers who want a portable, all-in-one solution for PS2 emulation. The AMD Ryzen 9 processor and RTX GPU ensure you can emulate even more demanding PS2 titles with ease, delivering smooth performance and crisp graphics. Whether you're emulating 3D, heavy action games, or more complex RPGs, the Zephyrus G14 can handle it all. The portability is also a big advantage if you're on the go but still want to enjoy your favorite PS2 games anytime, anywhere. Usability: the Zephyrus G14 is highly user-friendly, with the pre-installed Windows 11 operating system and an intuitive interface for setting up emulation software like PCSX2. Its keyboard is responsive and comfortable for long gaming sessions, and the laptop's cooling system ensures it doesn't overheat, even during extended use. Additionally, the laptop's long battery life, along with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, makes it easy to connect your controllers or accessories. Durability: built with premium materials, the ROG Zephyrus G14 is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The magnesium alloy chassis provides strength without added weight, making it a durable yet lightweight option. ASUS has equipped the laptop with an efficient thermal management system to prevent overheating during intensive tasks. With proper care, the Zephyrus G14 will continue to deliver excellent performance for years, ensuring long-lasting usability. In the second spot, we have Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a powerful gaming laptop designed for high-performance gaming and multitasking, making it an excellent choice for PS2 emulation. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, this laptop offers solid performance and fast processing speeds. It also boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth, immersive gaming experiences while emulating your favorite PS2 games. Key features: the Legion 5's Ryzen 7 5800H processor delivers exceptional multi-core performance, ideal for emulators that require significant CPU power. Combined with the RTX 3070 GPU, this laptop can effortlessly handle graphic-intensive PS2 games, ensuring smooth rendering and enhanced visual quality. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, the laptop offers fast load times and ample space for your emulation software and games. The 165Hz display ensures that gameplay remains fluid and responsive. Benefits and usage: the Lenovo Legion 5 is perfect for gamers who want a reliable, high-performance laptop to emulate PS2 games. The high refresh rate screen, combined with the powerful CPU and GPU, ensures smooth gameplay and vibrant visuals, making it ideal for emulating fast-paced action games. It also supports multitasking efficiently, so you can run other applications or streams while emulating games without any lag or slowdowns. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that offers a smooth, high-quality PS2 experience, the Legion 5 has you covered. Usability. The Lenovo Legion 5 is designed with gamers in mind, featuring an easy-to-use interface and customizable Legion TrueStrike keyboard for quick, responsive gameplay. Setting up emulation software is a breeze, and the laptop's various connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and multiple USB-A ports, make it easy to connect your gaming accessories. Lenovo's Legion AI engine also optimizes performance for the best gaming experience, ensuring that your PS2 games run smoothly with minimal input lag. Durability. Lenovo is known for building durable laptops, and the Legion 5 is no exception. The solid build quality ensures that it can withstand long gaming sessions and heavy usage. The thermal design, which includes advanced cooling systems, ensures that the laptop stays cool during extended gameplay. With a long battery life and efficient power management, the Legion 5 is a durable, reliable machine that will provide consistent performance for PS2 emulation over the years. Coming in at number 3 is the Acer Predator Helios 300. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is a high-performance gaming laptop that offers excellent value for money, providing the power necessary for PS2 emulation. Featuring an Intel Core i7-12700H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, the Helios 300 delivers outstanding performance, making it perfect for gamers who want a smooth emulation experience. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid gameplay, while the laptop's cooling system keeps it running efficiently under heavy workloads. Key features. The Predator Helios 300 comes with a powerful Intel Core i7-12700H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, offering smooth performance for PS2 emulation. The 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD provide plenty of memory and storage for both emulation software and your game library. The 144 Hz display ensures that gameplay remains fluid and responsive, and the laptop's advanced cooling system prevents overheating, even during long gaming sessions. Additionally, the laptop offers various ports for connecting external controllers and accessories. Benefits and usage. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is ideal for gamers looking for a reliable, mid-range laptop for PS2 emulation. With its powerful CPU and GPU, it can handle even the most demanding PS2 games, providing smooth, lag-free gameplay. The high refresh rate display ensures a responsive and immersive experience, perfect for action-packed games. It also features excellent multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run other applications while emulating your favorite titles. If you're on a budget but still want powerful performance for PS2 emulation, the Helios 300 is a great choice. Usability. The Predator Helios 300 is built with ease of use in mind, offering a user-friendly interface for setting up emulation software. The laptop's keyboard is comfortable for extended gaming sessions, and the cooling system ensures that the machine stays cool even during intensive emulation. The 144 Hz refresh rate display adds to the overall gaming experience, and the various connectivity options make it easy to hook up controllers or peripherals. Acer's Predator Sense software lets you fine-tune performance settings for optimal gameplay. Durability. Acer has designed the Predator Helios 300 to be both durable and reliable. The robust chassis ensures that it can withstand daily use, while the efficient cooling system keeps the components running at optimal temperatures. The laptop's power-efficient design means longer battery life, allowing you to enjoy gaming on the go. With proper care, the Predator Helios 300 will continue to deliver top-notch performance for years, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to emulate PS2 games on the go. Taking our fourth spot is MSI GS66 Stealth. The MSI GS66 Stealth is a sleek and powerful gaming laptop that packs serious punch, making it a perfect choice for PS2 emulation. Powered by the Intel Core i9-13900H processor and paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, The GS66 Stealth offers top-tier performance for any demanding task, including emulating PS2 games. Its 15.6-inch 165Hz display offers a smooth, immersive visual experience, enhancing your gaming experience. Key features: the GS66 Stealth comes equipped with an Intel Core i9-13900H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, offering excellent processing power for emulation. It also boasts 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring that even the most demanding games can run seamlessly. The laptop's 165Hz display guarantees smooth gameplay, especially for fast-paced PS2 titles, while its efficient cooling system ensures the laptop stays cool during long gaming sessions. With a 1TB SSD, there's plenty of storage space for all your games and emulation software. Benefits and usage: this high-performance laptop is ideal for gamers who need a top-of-the-line machine for PS2 emulation. The combination of the Intel i9 processor and the RTX 4070 GPU provides excellent performance for demanding PS2 titles, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. The large 32 GB of RAM allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously without compromising performance. Whether you're playing 3D action games or exploring open-world PS2 titles, the GS66 Stealth handles it with ease. The 165Hz display adds to the experience by ensuring fluid, fast-paced gameplay. Usability: the GS66 Stealth is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a customizable RGB keyboard, intuitive software for performance tuning, and a sleek design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Setting up emulation software is straightforward, and the laptop's numerous ports make it easy to connect your preferred controllers or external devices. The laptop's advanced cooling system keeps it cool and quiet, even during extended gaming sessions. The overall build quality and ergonomic design ensure comfort during long hours of gaming. Durability: MSI has designed the GS66 Stealth to be highly durable, with a robust chassis made of aluminum alloy that provides both strength and lightness. The cooling system is designed to prevent overheating, even during extended use, ensuring that the laptop performs well over time. With proper care, the GS66 Stealth will remain a reliable choice for emulating PS2 games, offering longevity and consistent performance over the years. And finally, at number 5, we have Intel NUC 11 Performance Mini PC. For those looking for a compact and space-saving solution, the Intel NUC 11 Performance Mini PC offers a surprising amount of power for PS2 emulation. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1165 G7 processor and equipped with Intel Iris A graphics, this mini PC provides a solid performance at a fraction of the size of typical gaming laptops. Despite its compact design, the NUC 11 offers impressive power, making it a great option for users who want an efficient and space-saving solution for PS2 gaming. Key features: the Intel NUC 11 is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris A graphics, delivering solid performance for emulation tasks. While it may not feature a discrete GPU like other systems on this list, its integrated graphics still provide impressive visual performance for PS2 emulation. The NUC 11 comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, offering fast load times and ample space for games. Despite its small size, the NUC 11 offers great expandability, with multiple USB ports and Thunderbolt 3 support. Benefits and usage: the Intel NUC 11 is perfect for users who want a compact PC for PS2 emulation without sacrificing too much performance. It's highly portable and takes up minimal desk space, yet it still offers solid performance for running your favorite PS2 games. With its low power consumption, it's an energy-efficient solution for emulation. It's ideal for users who don't need a bulky system but still want the power to run emulators effectively, making it perfect for casual gaming and entertainment setups. Usability: setting up the Intel NUC 11 is quick and easy, and the mini PC runs Windows 11, providing a smooth operating system for emulation software like PCSX2. The compact design allows you to place it almost anywhere, making it a great option for small spaces. The NUC 11's ports and connectivity options, including USB 3.2 and Thunderbolt 3, allow for easy integration with your gaming peripherals. The small form factor also makes it ideal for users who need portability without sacrificing too much performance. Durability. Despite its compact size, the Intel NUC 11 is built to last. The mini PC's construction is solid, and its small form factor ensures it remains lightweight yet durable. The thermal system ensures the unit stays cool during use, preventing overheating. With proper care and maintenance, the NUC 11 will provide long-term performance and continue to serve as an efficient PS2 emulation solution for years. And there you have it. 5 great PCs for PS2 emulation that offer varying levels of power, portability, and performance. Whether you're looking for a gaming laptop with all the bells and whistles or a compact mini PC for simple, effective emulation, one of these options is sure to meet your needs. Let us know in the comments which PC you're thinking of getting for PS2 emulation, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!